Look at them. They don't even have a lot of hair, feathers. Look at him. You can't hear anything out of his mouth when he's opening. Look. He's trying to sing. Baby bird's trying to sing. Look at his head. They've just hatched. Like, look at him. He's breaking. Is he breaking out of the egg?
Uh-huh. They're coming out of the eggs right now.
Oh, wow. They've been in here for a while, and I was showing them to Gracie the other day. But I didn't want to touch them.
Well, you need to leave them alone so the mom will come back.
Oh, they look like they're trying to sing a song, but they're silent. Ah! Oh, little birdie, come on. Open up your mouth and sing for me before the mama gets back. Come on, baby bird. They're so ugly when they're born. I'm not bothering them. Oh, they're so ugly.
You know why she put a nest there,